Okay, is arrived after the return of the TWS Neo. Is arrived also the new TWS 2. Okay. The name is in Chinese. I've seen other YouTube video with the name in English, but I've translated it in Google, and this is the translation of anti-noise cancellation. Here we go. This is an advanced feature respect to the Neo that I've wrongly bought on Amazon. Okay. This is my Vivo smartphone. Okay, nice. I love this package. The case is more large and thin. Same colors. There you go. I ordered also a silicone case because I've read that this surface is very dangerous. See here. Various sides. The same cable of TWS 2. Let me open. Let's try. Oh, nice. Okay. More big of the TWS 2, I think. Magnetic. And that's all. Now I've make some screenshots, and let's try this for the first time.